the sun, the sky, clouds, moon and stars, trees, streams, hills, valleys and plains, all leave my eyes in awe. What a beautiful planet we have. What a wonderful world we have. The ocean and the roaring waves, the sea and the dancing tides. Life is booming and blooming with that beauty. My eyes are left in awe. My heart is mesmerized at the beauty of all life's display. My mind is perplexed at the utter glamour and splendor on display. What a wonderful world we've got. What a beautiful planet we've got. The bird and the twig, the beaver, weaver bird and their kindred, fill out the expanse of our space with sweet corals day long. The pigeon, the woodpecker and their busy beak. Life is humming. Life is buzzing with upbeat beauty. And you and I can always testify the beauty, the glamour, the splendor of all life has to offer. Wonders of the world.